Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today in front of you HP LaserJet M236sdw printer. Printer is showing ER06 error 06. Actually this error indicates a paper jam in the fuser. Okay, so we will diagnose step by step how to check if there is any paper jam inside fuser or anywhere. We have to remove the tuner first, and then here you can see this is the lever of fuser cover, and you can see on paper is jam. This is here, and we can also find if what is behind. We will see the behind this cover. From behind you will see, yeah, also you can release the paper from behind. And okay, this was the stuck paper. Now we will check again. If there is a tiny part of paper broken inside, you have to remove the paper. That can cause the error ER06. So better way to open the back cover to release the paper that got stuck inside. Okay, now we will insert on that. Let's check again, and you can see printer is started initializing and it's in ready state now. So we can print information page to check it's picking up the paper fine or not. You can see it's printing fine. There is no problem at all. ER06 indicates paper jam inside fuser. So whenever you found this error, make sure what is stuck inside fuser and remove the back cover of the printer, and you can release any paper if got stuck. If any tiny part, then you can remove from here also, like this. If you have any other questions, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.